Today my video is going to be a review of 4 products from the Loreal Elvive Bond Repair range. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. It's lovely to have you here. Selfcare Karen is all about empowering busy women to feel their best and give their best. Now, please excuse the fact that I have a spot on my face here. I have tried to camouflage it, but then in the end, I got kind of like that cakey, crusty thing, so I removed it. So yeah, it's there. It's on the screen. There's nothing I can do about it, really. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Loreal Elvive Bond Repair range, and this is kind of like their range in comparison to the Redken Acidic Bonding range. I believe that's what they call it with Redken, which I have already reviewed one item of, and I'll link the video where I review that up here. That video is all about advice that I've taken from YouTubers, and in fact this range has also been reviewed or mentioned, I've seen, by Abby Young, who is one of the YouTubers that I follow in terms of hair care. Here's a picture of Abby so you can see what she looks like. Check out her channel if you haven't done so already. Anyway, I got 4 items from the Loreal Elvive Bond Repair range. I actually got a gift set from Boots. It was full price, it was £48, but actually I got it for half price. And you know, it's very illustrative on the back of the box around what it can do to really repair damaged hair. Now, my hair is perimenopausal, completely over processed. In fact, earlier today, oh my god, I'm so sorry about the screaming children in the background. My apologies if it's too distracting, but this is my only opportunity to film, so I'm taking it. Anyway, as I was saying, I've definitely got over processed hair. I dyed my hair earlier today with a L'Oreal Universal Nudes hair dye. I will link that video up here if you want to take a look. But basically, I'm very interested in improving the quality of my over processed hair, and I did find that the Redken Acidic Bonding treatment, or concentrate, or something like that is called, I put an image up here of the actual product, really did help. And so I was interested in kind of continuing that journey and trying out. I don't know so much if it's a dupe, because this is a higher end of the L'Oreal kind of price scale for the Elvive range, so it's not inexpensive or budget, which is what I kind of normally go for. I got it on offer, so it was definitely cheaper than the Redken one, but it's kind of on a par in terms of price, maybe a little less expensive. Anyway, the 4 products that were in this box, and there was also this hair clip, which I don't know, I think I've got it in my kit for when I go swimming, so I can clip up my hair and not get chlorine in my hair. But basically the 4 products that I got was this 12% Bond Repair Complex with citric acid. This is the Pre-Shampoo. And then I got the shampoo, which has got 5% of that Bond Repair Complex. The conditioner, that's got 10% of Bond Repair Complex. And then this leave-in serum, which has got 20%. So of the range, the 2 products that have got the highest percentage are the Pre-Shampoo and the leave-in conditioner, and actually I think they are what has made the biggest difference to my hair. Anyway, let me talk about it in a little bit more detail, but first let me mention that I do actually use affiliate links. Now, you might not be familiar with affiliate links, but basically I put a link in my video description of a product that I've mentioned, and then if you decide to purchase it, then using that link, then I will get some form of commission. It's not very much, it's normally just pennies, but it definitely helps me keep my channel going. And yeah, so let me say though that this is not an ad, this is not a sponsored video, this is my honest review and my honest opinion, and it's up to you whether or not you want to decide to buy the products after watching this video. And equally, if you want to use my link or just go wherever you want, the links will be to Amazon, because I am an Amazon affiliate. Okay, so with that said, let me just talk to you about how this regime is supposed to work. So basically, you're supposed to use the pre-shampoo treatment to damp hair from scalp to ends, and then using the hair clip that they give you, you leave it on for 5 minutes and then you rinse out thoroughly. And you're supposed to use it says for best results, use every wash. Then you're supposed to apply the shampoo to the wet hair, then you wash that out, then you put in the conditioner from lengths to tips, so not from the scalp, and you leave on for 3 minutes, then you rinse, and then you're supposed to rub 2 drops of the leave-in serum, and you can apply that to the lengths and the ends of wet or dry hair, which is really convenient, I have to say. So I have definitely reduced the frequency that I'm washing my hair, so I try to only wash it now once every other day, or sometimes I even go wash, day without washing, day without washing, and then wash again. But by that time my hair is like, well, it's an oil slick. I do have definitely got oily roots, and I've got dry over processed ends. Okay, so when it said that, you know, you have to do for best results, use every wash, I thought, oh my God, that's a lot of time standing in the shower with damp hair. And whilst I could do it having a bath, I don't actually have an opportunity to have a bath, and maybe once a week. So what I decided was to go rogue, okay? Now, I'm not saying you have to do this, but this is what I did. And in fact, Abby Young suggests using the pre-shampoo after shampooing, but I didn't do that. What I did was I wet my hair and I applied the Pre-Shampoo Bond Repair here, and I left it, I wrapped my hair up in a microfiber hair turban, and I left it for as long as I could. So sometimes it was 10 minutes, sometimes it was 20, sometimes it was half an hour, sometimes it was an hour. Then I washed it out, then I shampooed my hair, then I conditioned my hair, left it on for the 3 minutes, washed it out, and then I put in the leave-in serum, okay? And I actually found the times that I did it that way, my hair felt so wonderful, soft. I think leaving on that pre-shampoo for such a long time really, really makes a big difference. Okay, by the way, right now my hair has not got any of these products on it because I dyed my hair earlier, like I said, and I wanted to show you on screen doing the leave-in serum, and the hair dye that I used came with a shampoo and a conditioner. But of the 4 products, I have to say, I think the pre-treatment shampoo is really good, and I think the leave-in serum is really good. It is a bit messy to use, so let me show you now. It comes in a kind of dispenser with this, so I'm going to put 2 pumps onto the palm of my hand, and it is quite gloopy and it's got an interesting kind of sensation, and I just put it in to the lengths of my hair. Now, I always worry with these things that it's going to really leave a massive residue, but actually it doesn't. It just makes the frizz a bit less and kind of means that my hair is looking its glossiest. When I add it in, I haven't done it this time because my hair's a bit drier, but when I add it in just after I've washed my hair, it gives me a little kind of curl, and I really like that. Really, really like that. I'm trying to get that now, but it's not really happening. So yeah, I really like this leave-in serum, and I really like the pre-treatment. I think the shampoo and conditioner are fine, but actually you could substitute those with kind of different products, maybe even less expensive products. Right, my hands are feeling a bit yucky. I'm gonna wipe off the serum with a baby wipe that I've got here. And just to say, the one thing, 2 things, sorry about the screaming, that I really don't like about this product is, first, the smell, okay? For me, it's very artificial, it's very overpowering. I definitely have got used to it, but when I first started using this, I noticed it all day long. It was like really, I found it really kind of obtrusive, so do not like the smell. It's not anything, doesn't remind me of anything that you can find in nature. And then the other thing, I mean, I'm sure it says somewhere, don't get it in your eyes. I somehow, I don't know how, got the shampoo in my eyes and it hurt like a mother for loonies, okay? So just be careful if you do try this out. You've got to be careful with your eyes and getting the product in there. But I definitely think that, as I said, the Rescue Pre-Shampoo, which has got 12% of this, I guess, patented, I don't even know if they've patented, but Bond Repair Complex with citric acid, and the leave-in serum, which has actually got the most, 20%, really are the outstanding products from this range. And I will definitely continue using both of these. I'll use them up. You'll probably see them come up in an empties video in the future. I'll put the playlist to the empties videos that I've got. I've got so many. I do one a month, almost one a month. So if you want to binge watch those, go ahead. I know that I've done that in the past with other people's empties videos. I don't know what it is. I just love seeing what people will use up. But yeah, I don't think I will use up the shampoo and the conditioner. I think I'm going to pay it forward. I know I've got a close friend who I'm sure will be very happy to take these off my hands. But yeah, all in all, I am pleased, and I'm really, really happy that I did try out this range. I've got another 3 products from the Loreal Elvive range that I'm going to be doing a video on, but then I'm kind of, well, I have a few more items that I do want to review for you. But anyway, what I was going to say is, if there is anything that you would like me to review on my channel, you know, dedicated to my addiction of beauty products and sharing that with you guys, then please do let me know in the comments. It will be I'll be more than happy to work on your suggestions. Hair's gone a little bit crazy on the side here. I think I probably left it a little too long to put the serum in. I don't know. It's okay. I cut my hair today as well. I did a video on that, of how I cut my hair. If you want to watch it, go to that link up there. But yeah, I'm happy that I tried this range. I'm happy to continue carrying on trying out more ranges. Don't forget, I've put the links below for the products here. I've got video links, playlist links in the video description too. Hello, it's Editing Karen here. Sorry, I completely forgot that I wanted to share with you the yucca ratings for these products. I've just scanned them into my phone and you'll see the images on screen. They don't fare very well, so I'm not quite sure how I feel about this now, how I feel about these products. But I mean, I don't know, is it more important the results than getting my hair back into great condition or better condition, which I really feel is happening by using these products? Or is it something else? I don't know what my conscience is going to tell me. Anyway, I've shared the yucca ratings. And also you can find links to my Etsy shop. I also sell on my website, selfcarekaren.com. I sell things like guided meditations and EFT guides. You might have heard of tapping, as well as skincare recommendations. Please ignore the spot that I've got. This is from trying out. This might be hormonal actually, but anyway, this is I'm trying out a range at the moment. It's not necessarily one that I would recommend in my skincare recommendations. Anyway, thank you so much for being here today. It's lovely to have you here. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.